Good morning, everybody. My name is Frank from Fastline Safety Training. I'm here with John Farron from HSP Rentals.
Good morning.
We're here to talk about a specific machine, which is the MEC Micro19-XD. It's a new machine that's available out in the industry to make your lives a little safer and a little easier. John, take it away.
Absolutely, Frank. Before we go over this machine, operators should realize that there have been some significant changes in the design and manufacture of this equipment since 2020. This is a new ANSI A92 machine. There are various safety features that are now in these machines compared to the older machines. And there's a blend of all new machines and old machines on job sites. With the new machines that have been designed and manufactured after 2020, we'll start with a weight sensor. Inside this platform, there's a weight sensor that is constantly monitoring how much weight is in the platform. If you overload it, the machine will disable itself. You will not be able to operate it. Also, with the tilt sensor, if you're not operating this machine on a firm, flat, level, smooth surface, this machine has a tilt sensor that measures plus or minus 4-degree difference in grade. If the machine does not like the terrain, the grade it's on, it will also disable you. The other major takeaway from the new equipment is this right here. These new machines have an indoor and an outdoor mode.
Tell us a little about that.
Okay, the main purpose of this is if you're working outdoors, wind is a factor that can cause these machines to become unstable and potentially upset and tip over. As an operator, you need to tell the machine whether you're working in the outdoor or the indoor mode. If you're working indoor, this machine will go up the full 19-foot platform height. If you're working outdoor, the machine will limit you to how high the platform will go. It shows you right here that this platform will only go up 70% of the 19 feet if you're working outdoors.
Which is about 15 feet or so.
Absolutely, absolutely it is.
So it'll avoid unnecessary service calls to the sales rep, I'm sure.
It's very common nowadays. You get a phone call, I'm operating a machine, and it's not going up to the full platform height. A lot of times it's the operator not being aware that there is now an indoor and an outdoor function, and they just have to make sure that they tell the machine which mode it should be in.
And is this available on all new machines or not just this brand?
Anything built after 2020 will have the indoor and the outdoor feature.
Okay.
Absolutely.
So John, tell us about what's special about this machine.
Well,
We'll talk about the safety features, right? People climbing on the toe board, the mid-rail to get extra height. Tell us why this machine will avoid that.
Absolutely. MEC really hit one out of the park with the Micro19-XD. This machine comes in two different models. You have the standard Micro19, which is a two-man, 19-foot compact electric scissor lift. You also have the Micro19-XD. The XD stands for this Xtra Deck, which is this nifty feature we're going to go over in a moment.
So go ahead. So I want you to get on the machine and show us how this Xtra Deck will, keep people safer and allow them to do more with this machine.
The reality is, Frank, unfortunately in our line of work, in our industry, you see people developing bad habits.
All the time.
I'm on a lot of different projects, and unfortunately, I see these machines being used incorrectly. A lot of times, it's unfortunate that the machine only goes up a certain height, and this platform top rail is going to limit you. I always see people doing this, the toe board dance, and then I even see nowadays on a lot of job sites, we're doing the mid-rail shuffle. We need to get up a couple extra feet, but unfortunately this machine only goes a certain height. What I really like about this product, Frank, is this product allows, again, the operator to get up that couple extra feet, work safely, but it has a fully enclosed guardrail system that extends to make sure that operators are safe and there aren't any opportunities for them to fall out of the side or backwards. Now, please note, with this machine, it is a two-man machine when the Xtra Deck is not down. Once you put this Xtra Deck down, extend the guardrails and are using it, it goes to a one-man machine. And please, always check the owners and operators manuals, the stickers and decals to make sure you're not overloading the machine, you have the proper amount of people inside the machine, and you're doing safe, proper operation at all times.
Perfect. Thanks, John.
Thank you, Frank.